Hi, this is Jeff from the Technology Learning Center at the Cape May County Library, and today I'm going to show you how to use the app Libby. Libby is the app that you would use to download ebooks and audiobooks from the Cape May County Library. It's really easy to use. You start by downloading it. You can find it in the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once you've downloaded and open it up, it's going to look just like you see here on the screen. The first thing that you're going to do is say yes, you have a library card. From here you have three options. I recommend that you choose the one that says I'll search for a library, and then you just type in 08210, which is the zip code for Cape May Courthouse. From here you will find South Jersey Regional Library Cooperative. That is our library system. It loads up. It's going to ask if you're a member of the Cape May County Library. You click on that, and then you just type in your library card number. It's real easy. Once you're done, you can name the card if you'd like to. That's only important if you have multiple library cards from multiple libraries. Click on Next, and it's going to bring you right to the South Jersey Regional Audiobook and Ebook Download Center. That's the Cape May County Library's collection of books that you can loan. You will see on the front page a list of some of our new releases, things that we've just added, maybe award-winning books, etc. and so on. We're going to skip over all that and just search for a book. I'm going to type in Ready Player One. You can see there's a series here. I'll click on that. Now, there's multiple titles here. You'll see there's Armada, which is the newer book. There's Ready Player One, which is the one that I'm looking for. There's an ebook version right here, and there's an audiobook, and you'll see the little picture of the earbuds that let you know that it's an audiobook. I'm going to choose the ebook today. If you want an audiobook, you need to make sure you have the proper device for doing that. There are some devices that you can't download audiobooks on. However, most of your smartphones and iPads should be able to play audiobooks just fine. Click on Borrow. Once again, click on Borrow, and you're done. It's that easy. Now, you have to wait a little bit for the book to download. It's pretty quick for an ebook. Audiobooks take a bit longer, and I don't recommend that you use your data plan, but make sure you're connected to your Wi-Fi before you download an audiobook. You can see right here, it's showing the progress of the book being downloaded. Once the book is downloaded, you can go to your shelf and just start reading. So we're going to come back out here. You'll see Library, and then you see Shelf down at the bottom. If I click on Shelf, I see there's a book that I checked out previously, which is Dune, and here is Ready Player One. Now there's options here that say Read With. When you click on that, it's going to give you two options. I recommend that you use Libby under most circumstances. To do it through a Kindle, you have to jump through some extra hoops and loops. Mind you, Libby does not work on any Kindle Fire, so you can't use it there. But we're going to choose Libby today. Your book loads up as so. You can just swipe to turn pages. It's fairly easy to do. Get through our reviews. At any time, you can always tap at the bottom, and you'll bring up a little menu which allows you to choose chapters, jump ahead or back, and it gives you your menu up here on how you view things. We'll look at that in a couple seconds. As you can see here, by clicking here, you can jump to specific pages. Alright, once you're on a page, you have multiple options. Again, the menu's open. If I tap in the center, that menu goes away. Now, if you see a specific word that you don't know or you're looking for in the book in some form or another, you can hold down on that word and it will highlight it. Once it's highlighted, you can define it. You can choose to highlight it so that you find it when you're referencing it later on, or you can search within the book for other copies of that word, something that might be reoccurring throughout the book, like a character's name, etc. and so on. Now, if you tap in the center, you open up that menu again. Up here at the top, it allows you to search, but more importantly, what I want to show you today is this A allows you to go to your viewing settings, which allows you to choose the size of your text. You can make it larger or smaller depending on what you need. If it doesn't get large enough on the basic bar, you have to turn on this Include Accessibility Sizes, and that allows you to get much larger text. You can also choose how you view the book. Now there is bright, which is what we're looking at now. There's sepia, which gives everything a little bit of a muted tans and browns, a little nicer on the eyes for some people, and dark mode, which I recommend that you do when you're reading at night. This makes the book much less powerful on your eyes. If you click back in the center, you're back to your book. As you can see, I left the font much larger so that you could see it. Again, swiping pages will just do the same. You just swipe to the left and it turns the page. You swipe to the right, you go back a page. Again, if you want to jump back further, you tap down at the bottom and you open up your menu. You can go back into your settings at any time, like daytime, you want to switch back off of dark mode to bright mode, and you can do so. Change down my scale and I'm back to normal. That's the basics on how to read a book. At any time when you tap down at the bottom and you open up that menu, you can hit the back button. It takes you back out to the shelf and library. It lets you switch books. You'll notice here it says Manage Loan. If you've read the book and you want to return it earlier, you can click on Manage Loan and decide to return it early, which allows someone else to get the book from you. If you've got any other questions, you're more than welcome to reach out to us here at the TLC. You can call us or email us. You can find our information on our social media or on our website. We look forward to talking to you and enjoy reading.